Alright guys, today we're going to be changing the ignition coil pack and the ignition control module. It's all one piece right here. As you can see, the ignition coil module is bolted on. The ignition control module is bolted on to this plate that the coil pack on. They both bolted on to the same plate. But I'm gonna replace this whole piece with the ignition control module and the ignition coil pack already on there. It's it's real simple. You just want to remove. I believe it's, let me see. As you can see right here. 1, 2, 3, and then that bolt right here. I'm gonna take the top of this off. Take the top of this off right here. Once you twist right, take this off, and then you want to take these bolts off right here, move this plate back, and it's real simple. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. That's 10mm bolts, and then remove this air box. Let me see. Hold on, 1 second, guys. Let me get my tools. Like I said, guys, usually it's like a twist right here where you can untwist this, but mine has a nut on it, which is 13mm. So I'm just gonna take this off right here. Drop this to the side so I don't lose it. Don't feel like losing them today. It's kind of too cold for that. Okay, I got that removed. And once you remove that, guys, just pop this, slide it back, and just kind of move this to the side enough to get to this this nut right here, guys. Enough to get to the nut right here to move the plate. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. To remove it. It's real simple, guys. Let me see. Let me get my 10mm socket, and then I'll be ready. All right, guys, here we go. These are bolted on together. Gotta clean these up. Make sure you don't want to lose that. Loosen them up. It's kind of on there. Alright, let me take these 2 nuts off. Set these to the side so I don't lose them. There's 1. Where the other one go? Oh, right there. These big monkey hands, man. God, oh. Twist this off. All right, that's right there. And then I'm gonna get this one right here. This one over here so I don't lose it. And then last but not least, this guy right here. Alright, guys. Now, I should have did this first before I started. But it really don't matter. But I should have just did it. Unplug these 2 plugs. One from the ignition control module, and then the other one from the coil pack. Pull that coil pack wire off. And let's see. Let's lift this up right here. Oh, guys, it's a nut. It's one more right here. They got a nut. Then on top of this one, they got another one. It's crazy. All right, let's take this off. Let me shorten up my socket. All right. Had to take that extension off because it's kind of too long. It's kind of loose. Whole stud, nothing stud come off with it. So wonder why my hand's so crusty. It's because I just went in there and washed it with dishwashing liquid. Then I came outside and it's cold, so look like I've been playing in mashed potatoes, but hey, ain't no fairy. All right, guys, let's see what we got. Oh God, there's another one down there. Right there. You see that bolt right there, guys? There's another one. So let me put my extension back on. Hold on, guys, 1 second. Get the extension put on. All right, guys, I didn't see that one down there. Where'd it go? Right there. All right, guys, got that one off. And then you just want to lift this up right here. Be careful with it, guys. I'm just gonna don't go ape on it right away. Just smooth this. What's holding it now? Oh, there's another freaking bolt right there. Right there. I don't think all these nuts was necessary to hold this thing down, man. It's like nuts on top of nuts. And what's going on? I guess sometimes, man, GM, Chevy, they be doing too much. It ain't that necessary. All right. Now, guys, I guess it come up now. You got no other choice. All the stuff off. Okay. We're gonna set the new one with these plugs. All right, guys. But put it back the same way it came on there. I gotta get all these leaves out. All these leaves get up. All right. All right. The stud. First. The one with the stud on it. Goes back in here. All right, guys. I didn't tighten it in all the way. The stud goes on that one, and then the other one with the stud goes right here. First one, let me set this thing camera down. There we go. There you go. I'll tighten it up. Now let me get my socket to tighten this up a little bit. Yeah, guys, when you put them in, don't tighten them up all the way until you get make sure all these go in the hole, because you don't want to tighten that up and then it's off and you can't get this in a hole. So let me the other one, the stud goes right here. Make sure that line up. Make sure this line up. Yeah, guys, once you get this stud in right here, you can go back and tighten the other two bolts, because the rest of them is going to be lined up with the it's on top of the studs already. So ain't no more studs, because you didn't want to tighten them all the way up, because make sure those studs go in the hole. But now since those studs in, you go ahead and tighten them up, and then the rest of it, see, just like sit on top of there. And you put the nuts on there, just the nuts. So we go ahead and tighten these 3 up. All right, guys, got that tightened up. Now you want to sit this back on there like that. Then you want to put the nut back on here, and then back on there, and then the other one go down there. And then put that one on. That one right there. And then put the other one down here. Go ahead and tighten this up, guys. All right, guys. Got that tightened up. Now I'm just trying to put the throttle body back on. Alright. Always want to make sure that's nice and flush on there. Okay. Now, put that nut back on there like it was. Tighten that up. Alright, guys, got that put back on there. Throttle body put back on there. Just make sure these plugged in. And then put your don't forget to put the wire back on there from your distributor. Goes right here. All right. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can change the ignition control module and a coil pack in a 2001 Chevy Blazer, 4.3 Vortec. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out.